Hey friends, Joshua14 back with another gaming on the Surface Pro 8 video. I'm going to do some Bluestacks trying out. This is Clash of Clans, and I'm also going to be trying out Clash Royale and Iron Marines, which is from the makers of Kingdom Rush on RTS. So we'll just do one after another, but definitely you can use the touch screen, which is cool. Zoom. Let me see. Zooming in and out. Oh, I don't know. Can I upgrade stuff? 120. It's broken. Okay. Well, there we go. Can I pinch to zoom in here or not? But you can still use the that's not what I wanted to do. Moving around everything, but yeah, it running around 60 FPS, so no issues there. Upgrade that guy too. I need a builder hall to level 6, but all right. Let's actually try an attack. Fine now. And of course there's going to be traps around here. So it's pretty much able to maintain almost 60 FPS, so yeah, I got one star. Look at that. There we go. Alright. Well, I'd say Clash of Clans, totally a win. Here using Bluestacks X. And I did try to do it, install it with the Google Play Store on the Windows subsystem for Android. And it basically crashes right to desktop. So you're going to have to use Bluestacks for Clash of Clans and Clash Royale, but we'll try Clash Royale next. Alright, here we have Clash Royale running on the Surface Pro 8 i7, and kind of ridiculous in portrait mode to have a 13-inch Clash Royale, but we're gonna do it anyways, and seems to be working great. We got the boots. Alright, let's battle. See how we do. kind of heavy to hold with one hand, but we're doing it for the YouTubes, right? Look at that. Looks like they're going to beat me. Oh, they did get one. They did get one. Not a bad showing. All right, let's do one in landscape mode here. All right, not now. Okay.
Let's go.
Able to tank a few hits. Not bad. Wish that was closer. Be able to get that. All right. Smart. Oh man, he's gonna do it. Bummer. Well, he didn't win that one. And of course he has to, Alright, so now we're gonna try Iron Marines. Alright, and here we have Iron Marines.
Fire at will! Out and out.
Ranger, that's cool. Not enough command points.
Very well. Fire at will! Granted.
To get used to the controls here.
Formation! To the front. Marching. Double time. Out and out. Very well. Granted. Formation. To the front.
It's hard to...
Commander.
There we go.
Go, go, go. Marching.
So you have to kind of tap and then drag.
Got it. Double time.
Alright. So, suffice it to say, I think Iron Marines will work just fine. Equip powers and claim rewards. There we go. Alright, sounds good. Hope you all enjoyed. And yeah, Bluestacks running on the Surface Pro 8 i7 with 16 gigs of RAM seems no problem. Alright, hope you all enjoyed. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care.